What's going on, guys? It's Nico Moreno here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I make $1,000 a day off of YouTube alone. So if you want to learn how to do that, be sure to stick around and watch to the end of the video. Also, if you're brand new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification to get notified anytime I go live or anytime I upload a new video. All right, guys, so let's just dig right into it. I'm not going to do a ton of fluff. So what I'm going to be showing you guys is exactly how I make $1,000 per day straight off of YouTube, right? So anybody can do this, and it's completely changed my life. $1,000 a day passive is a really big deal. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how this all works and how you can get started doing it too. All right, so essentially here, let me show you. So here's an example of someone who just purchased my course 10 hours ago. And I'm going to show you guys first off, like, what is it that I'm selling? What is it that's actually making the money? How do people find out about it? Like, where do people go to buy it? And yeah, I'm going to show you guys kind of how you can all do this too. All right, so the first thing that we need to understand is what is the product that I'm actually selling, okay? So it's, a lot of you guys probably know, it's my Messenger Bots course here. So if you go right here on YouTube, like that's the link where people will go and they'll buy the course, okay? So it's a training program teaching people how to make money with Messenger Bots, right? Completely online course. So the really cool thing is anyone can buy this product at any time, and it takes me no extra time or effort, right? They just click the button, they sign up, they enroll, and they get instant access to all the training, all the resources, all the templates, all the videos, everything like that, right? So it's super cool because after I created the course, obviously I made sure that it was a good product and something that I was really proud of. But after that, it doesn't take any extra time or effort, right? So that's the really, really cool part, really powerful part. And people from all over the world can access YouTube, right? So it's super simple, just an online course on a topic that I already knew about, right? So the next thing is, well, okay, how do people find this course, or how do people actually learn about it, right? In order to buy it, they have to kind of know what it is and be interested in it, right? So usually how people find out about it is, I have this entire playlist here. It's a free playlist. Anybody on the internet can watch these videos for free. And you'll see there's a playlist, just a bunch of free videos about how to make money with chatbots and how to make money with ManyChat, right? So I think there's no number on here. My Wi-Fi is being a little weird. There's no number on here, but I think I have probably like 70 or 80 videos on here. So there's a ton of free value up front, and that's the really important part, right? Like, you need to give value to your audience and to to people who are interested in your topic. You need to give them free value first before they're going to be ready to invest. In this case, it's $1,000. Before they're willing to invest money with you, right? So that's kind of how it works. I've been creating, this sort of content on YouTube for a while, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be the world's leading expert in your field or anything like that, right? So anybody can actually get started with this. And so that's a really cool part. Like, anybody can create a free YouTube channel, can create, free videos that are helping people get to a specific result. And you can create your own information product, whether it's like a digital ebook, whether it's so here's actually another course that I have too. Let me show you an example. So I also have a copywriting course too, and this one has sold quite a bit as well. People really love it. It's less expensive than the $1,000 one. For whatever reason, like, copywriting is just I don't know how to put it other than people are willing to pay less for it, right? So that's totally cool. But here's another example, right? So copywriting is a skill that helps people learn how to create more compelling sales copy for their business, for their marketing, for their sales, so anything for their sales funnels, right? So this was actually something that I created quite a while back. For those of you who have been following me for a long time, that I started off way at the beginning. I was just a copywriter, right? Or not just a copywriter, there's nothing wrong with that. But that was the first thing that I did. And so I was like, hey, I could teach people how to do copywriting for their business. And so we got a lot of good results here. Like, people love this course too. Like, they love it so much. This was the first course that I really got sales on, right? I had actually tried and failed a couple times with online courses because I just didn't know how to get people to see the course and to learn about it and to be able to buy it, right? Like, you can create this amazing product, this amazing course, info product, ebook, but if you don't have people who are aware of it and don't know where to go to find it, then nobody can actually like pay you the money, right? So that's why I think YouTube is so powerful for that. So here's an example of like one video, for example. So how to get 10,000 bot subscribers in 5 days, how to make money with chatbots, right? So this is a 31-minute completely free training video with me and one of my friends. And we just show people exactly how to get 10,000 bot subscribers in 5 days, right? So this is a topic, and you can see I have a relatively small channel still, about 2,500 and whatever, 2.57K subscribers. For those of you who are current subscribers, thank you so much. I'm so grateful to have you here. And for those of you who haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, shameless plug. But yeah, this video has, and this is one of the more popular ones on my channel, 6,181 views. And you can see it was uploaded quite a while ago too, but it's been building over time. This is one of the videos that people love the most. And you can see right here, just down in the bottom, I just have links to check out my chatbot course. So this is like the sales page where you can see all the testimonials, and then this is where people go to actually like buy and pay the money, right? And send me the money overnight. And it's funny, it's actually, so people always talk about like, well, like make money while you sleep. I feel like a disproportionate amount of the sales actually do come like while I am asleep, like overnight. Like I got one last night at like 11:01 p.m. And I don't know about you guys, but I go to bed early. I usually go to bed around 9. But yeah, that was pretty much it. So you can see here, like a ton of people loved this video. And then I created a bunch more, right? So YouTube will automatically play like the next one. This one has 4.4K views. And so just people from all around the world who are searching for a specific topic, they can enter that search term into YouTube and they'll find your video, they'll find your content. And if it's good and if it's helpful and if it's valuable, then if you have a product that will teach them, you know, how to get results faster or how to get even better results, then you can link that in the description and anyone from across the world can buy your product at any time. So that's why I absolutely love YouTube. I'm actually, one of my friends is helping me. He has a much bigger channel and he's made like much more sales for an online course using YouTube. So he's kind of like teaching me some of that stuff too. And we're kind of working together. So it's really cool. And what I've been noticing is a lot of you guys are wanting to learn how to create your own info product, whether it's an online course, a digital ebook, PDF download bundle, audiobook, anything like that. And so because of that, I'm going to create a new program to help you guys launch your first info product. Okay, so if you guys are interested in that, I'm thinking the title is going to be Info Product Secrets. So let me know down in the comments below if you want to learn how to create your own info product, if you want to learn how to create your own online course, anything like that. Again, you guys, this has completely changed my life. I started off doing like freelance work, right? So I was exchanging time for money. And once I learned how to create an info product, I mean, I still do like some coaching and consulting, but now a lot of the income is like very passive. So if you guys are interested in learning how to create your own info product to make passive income and teach people and help people on a subject that you already know and love, then comment down below, let me know, and I'm excited to create that for you guys, all right? Thanks so much, guys, and it's been Nico Moreno here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification to get notified the next time that I upload a video. And yeah, there's also going to be a link down in the description somewhere. For those of you who are interested in the info product course, there will be somewhere where you can sign up to get notified when it's ready. It's probably going to be ready in the next 7 to 10 days, all right? So stick around, guys. Can't wait to help you even more. And it's been Nico Moreno here. Have an amazing day.